Hey everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. I'm gonna be doing a closet clean out, hopefully my biggest and best one yet. This is so needed. I say this every time. I am like really in the mood to get rid of stuff. Like I really am. I'm like in the mood to just like get rid of everything. I don't care if it has a sentimental attachment. Don't care if it used to be my favorite thing, like it's not anymore, like goodbye. Do a lot of clothing hauls on my channel. I'll partner with different clothing brands since like my channel is kind of centered around fashion. Collected a lot of clothes from that, and I love shopping and I love clothes. My closet is truly out of control. I was looking through it and I was like, what? Like, why do I have all of this stuff? I would rather get rid of the stuff I'm not wearing so I can actually see the stuff that I am wearing. I'm ready to make some hard decisions and get rid of stuff. I'll be selling some of the stuff on Poshmark. Some of it I give away to like friends, family. Some of it I sell on Poshmark if it's something that I bought recently and just am not wearing. Some of it I will be donating. You guys know the drill. The stuff that I will be selling will be on Poshmark. I'll have my Poshmark linked below. I think that's everything I wanted to say. Definitely make sure to thumbs up if you like these types of videos, and if you'd like to see more on my channel. Comment below any closet clean out tips that you have. Definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. And let's just get into the closet clean out. Here is the before, like what we're working with, what I plan on decluttering. I have this clothing rack. There might be some things on here that I'm not really wearing. I also have this dresser. I have this sweatshirt drawer. Every time I open this, it gets stuck because there's so much in here. Like who needs this many sweatshorts? In here, I have like some workout stuff. I did give a bunch of workout stuff to my sister, but I still have so much. I might try to downsize. Bottom drawer is like sweatpants and pajamas. I do have this entire drawer of sweatshirts, and that drawer pretty much looks the exact same. I truly don't understand how I could possibly have so many sweatshirts. I always think I'm gonna get rid of so many every time I do a closet clean out, and then somehow I don't end up getting rid of any. A lot of these are like from concerts and stuff. I don't know. I might find something. And the actual closet, it's like organized but somehow also a mess. It's also just really stuffed. Like one more shirt and I think it might just explode. I can't move it around. Actually, I can move it around a little bit. It's pretty stuffed. I have kind of all my neutrals here at the top, and then all of my tank tops, like colorful tank tops. Why do I have my colorful tank tops here? And then I have my neutral tank tops here. Doesn't really make sense. And then I have all of my colorful tops kind of here at the bottom. Kind of just gradually started stuffing stuff here on this shelf. These are all jeans and pants. I just have so many jeans. Like I don't know how, but I just do. And then I have a bunch of sweaters on top of here. And then I have all of my sweatshirts and then some random laundry. Over here I have some skirts and dresses. And then up there I have these bins with hats and swimsuits. I think that's everything. That's kind of like what we're starting with. I think I'm gonna start with the main part of the closet, like all of the hanging tops is kind of like the bulk of it. I think the method of actually taking it out of your closet is like a really good method. I think that actually does work really well, because I feel like when I'm just kind of looking through it, I kind of miss things. I can't really see what it is. If I take it all, every single item out of my closet at once, that is just gonna be so overwhelming. So what I like to do is just kind of take it out in sections out here to my room where it's nice and bright and I can see everything really well, and just kind of look through each section and then put it back. Take out another section, look through it, and then put it back. That just kind of works the best for me. It's also nice for the video because then it's good lighting. And then kind of sort through them that way and really decide if I want to keep that item. As Marie Kondo says, if it sparks joy. I usually ask myself, have I worn this recently? Would I buy this now? And does this fit my current style? So like if I'm scrolling on Pinterest, adding stuff to my outfits board, is this something that I would be like inspired by? Or is it like really comfy and I just like enjoy wearing it because it's comfy and like loungy? Or is it just something that's just been sitting in my closet for a long time and it continues to sit in my closet? That's just kind of some stuff that I think about and consider while looking through stuff and thinking about if I should get rid of it or not. Let's just get started. Starting off with these tank tops, the gray and the black tank tops. I know I have a lot of clothes, like who needs all of these tank tops, all of these black and gray tank tops, but somehow I have them. So we're gonna go through them. I'm not off to a very good start. Clearly I wear this. You can see the big pan stains. I literally have had these for almost a year and haven't worn either one. And my sister has one that she has and she wears it like every day. So I just know she would love these. So I'm gonna not be a hoarder and not let these sit in my closet with the tags. I'm gonna be nice and I'm gonna give them to my sister who would love them. And this I think I might get rid of as well. I just never wear the ones with the notch neck. Hello, I just wanted to pop on here and talk about my favorite phone cases, which are from Casetify. I'm actually partnering with Casetify on today's video, so thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring. I love, love, love their phone cases. Literally my favorite. I literally drop my phone all the time, so I need a protective phone case. I actually just got a bunch of new phone cases from Casetify. I'll kind of show you a little unboxing. So this is the perfect time to tell you all about Casetify and how great their phone cases are, since I actually have a discount code. If you didn't know, Casetify cases are actually created from recycled and plant-based materials, and the G-Tech 2.0 technology offers drop protection of 9.8 feet. The shock dispersing material is lined within the case bumper, protecting all four corners. I'll kind of show you guys what that looks like. The Ultra Impact case, which is the one that I have on my phone right now, the one with the bumpers on the corner, is Casetify's slimmest, most protective iPhone case at only 13 millimeters thin. So as you can see, it's not bulky at all. It's super thin. The cases are also wireless charging and 5G compatible. Like I said, they have so many cute cases. You can choose from their selection of curated prints, or you can also personalize a case with your favorite font or design layout for a truly customized case. The new Impact and Ultra Impact cases are made of 65% recycled and plant-based materials. All the cases come in 100% recycled packaging, made with recycled paper and non-toxic soy ink. Casetify cases feature Defensify, which is an antimicrobial coating, killing up to 99% of bacteria. They're also non-toxic and non-hazardous. I'm gonna be testing out the military grade drop protection here on screen. We're just gonna see how it protects my phone. As you can see, the Casetify case protected my phone. It looks the same as it did before. I love that I can always trust my Casetify case to protect my phone because I am unfortunately always dropping it. My camera died, but I just wanted to say if you guys don't have a Casetify case, you definitely need to get one. I actually do have a discount code. Go to casetify.com/EmilyGrace for 15% off your order. I'm gonna have that here on the screen. That is casetify.com/EmilyGrace for 15% off your order. I'm also gonna have that link below at the very top of my description, so you can just click that link. Their phone cases are truly the best. Definitely make sure to check them out. I love both of these. I don't really remember if I wore this last fall. Yeah, I think I did. I did actually wear this a lot. These are all kind of like the same, but different, but I do wear them. I kind of don't think I'm gonna wear it. Every closet clean out, I debate. I never wear it, never worn it. Same thing with this, still has the tag. I've had it for like 3 years. It's just always too cropped. Every closet clean out, I'm like, should I keep this? Should I not? I literally never wear it, but it's good basic. I never wear it, so we're getting rid of it. This is the one that I actually would wear. Like, I feel like I do actually occasionally wear this. I wear this like every day in the fall and winter. It's like the perfect black mock neck. Love this. It's all wrinkled because everything in there is so stuffed. It has to hang like that. Sad. I kind of feel like I don't like this color. I love this fit, but I don't think I ever really wear this because the color is just kind of, I don't know. I might get rid of that. I also feel like this is just really bright. When was the last time I wore it? I used to be obsessed with this, but I feel like it's not really my style as much anymore. Excuse me? Literally so many white box shirts. I have both of these jackets. I don't need both. I think I'm gonna keep the cropped one because I have a bunch of these like longer kind of oversized jackets, and I know my sister really likes this, so I'm gonna give that to her. I probably haven't worn this in like 3 years, so I thought this was so cute when I thrifted it and cut it off, but I don't think it's cute anymore. I was actually so excited to wear this. Literally ended up just not wearing it. Now I just feel like it's not really my style. I think I might just get rid of it. Don't see myself wearing this. Love this. This is actually really cute. And I kind of didn't know I had it. I think I'm gonna put this on my clothing rack. I can't decide if I should keep this jacket really stiff, so I haven't worn it, but it is really cute. That is everything for the hanging section of my closet, the top and the bottom. I actually found a lot to get rid of. I can move around the clothes now, so before they were really stuffed, but now I actually am able to move them around. I just realized there's some skirts and dresses that I totally forgot about, so I guess I'll do those. I really don't have a lot of skirts and dresses, so I feel like I'm probably not gonna find that many to get rid of because I don't really have that many to start with. Really like all of those. Now time for the hats. I'm just gonna dump this out. I'm not keeping all of these. Like, don't need all these hats. I'm telling myself right now, I do not need all of these hats. I got rid of like 4 hats. I did slim it down. And the swim. Oof. These are all the random things that I kind of have on the shelves underneath the shirts. Kind of just like random sleep sweatpants that didn't fit in my drawer when I was trying to put them away at some point. And also some random sweaters. Here is everything that I'm getting rid of, like actually everything now that I'm done. I do need to kind of like sort through all of it. I'll probably FaceTime my sister as I'm doing that so she can kind of virtually look through it. Let me know what she wants because I'm actually gonna be visiting her in a couple days. I feel like I did find quite a bit to get rid of, so I think I did a pretty good job. I think that is pretty much everything. I feel like it's much more organized, especially the hanging part. I can actually move my clothes around, which was kind of my goal going into this. I did do a little organizing as well, like when I took things out and then put it back, I kind of tried to like organize it, make sure everything was color coded, hung up nicely, folded nicely, and obviously I feel like I got rid of quite a few things. So that is a lot of stuff that I'm not wearing that now somebody else can enjoy, hopefully. Some of it will be listed on my Poshmark, so if you want to shop any of those pieces, my Poshmark is EmilyGrace266. I'll also have it linked below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at EmilyGrace.26. Comment this emoji if you stayed until this point in the video, or just comment your best cleaning tip when it comes to organizing your closet. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with me on this closet cleaning out journey, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.